how to change Discord password. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your Discord application on your device. After opening up, you have to log into your account, and after logging in, you'll be able to see the home page of Discord. So in order to change the password, you need to first tap on the profile icon in the right bottom corner. And from over here, you'll be able to see your information and profile. So you have to go through the account option, and all the information are available over here. So you can see the password option in the last row, so you have to go through it. And in order to change your password, you have to retype your current password in the first text box. If you have already saved your password, then whenever you tap the text box, the password will be displayed and you can easily enter the password. And you have to retype your new password over here, and after doing that, you have to go for change password option. And after a few seconds of loading, your Discord password will be changed. So by following this simple step, you can change Discord password. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.